Hi everyone, and welcome back to the series where we solve data problems in both SQL and Pandas. And today's challenge is to find the biggest single number. For example, we have a table, my numbers, and we have duplicate numbers in here. A single number is the one that appears only once. We need to output the biggest number that appears only once in the table. In SQL, we write a subquery first. In the subquery, we will group all the numbers. We have to use the having clause because with the having we can filter to only those numbers that appear only once. We create the groups, and then if there is only one number in the group, we display it. Now we select the maximum number that appears in the subquery. And we are ready to run the query. We successfully solved this problem in SQL. Now let's move on to Pandas. In Pandas, first we count occurrences of each number. We take the data frame, we take the column that we want to count, and with the function value counts, we will calculate how many numbers appear in each group. Now we need to filter for numbers that appear exactly once. We take the new dataset counts and we filter counts to 1. This will be our single numbers. Next, we need to find the max and return as a data frame. So we take our single numbers and we calculate the max. We display the max if our single numbers are not empty. Otherwise, it will be null. And this we will save into max number. Now let's return the maximum number. We create a data frame with num as a column because the output should be the same as the input, and the value of that column is the maximum number that we just calculated. Let's run it. We successfully solved this problem in Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? Group by in SQL or value counts function in Python Pandas? Let me know in the comments.